Good morning. It's still morning. I'm gonna go and get some coffee. I guess I should say welcome back because this is the start of a new vlog. So welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Hannah. I go get coffee a lot and you usually come with me, so you're welcome. I am gonna go to Starbucks. I have a free drink, so I'm gonna use that because, you know, I'm poor. But anyway, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. It's super sunny out, which I thoroughly enjoy, and it's like warm outside, but not too warm. So, and today is Saturday, so we only have a few days left here, which is exciting. I think we're ready to go back home. I mean, we're in Jacksonville if you just join these, you know, vlogs, and I probably put it in the title. I don't know, but we are in Jacksonville on a trip, and it's not bad here. I feel like we were finally, well, we were pretty much used to like Virginia Beach and like everything, but I think we're ready to go back to where we're like more familiar, because we have no idea like where anything is at here. So, and then of course having our own, you know, space and not a hotel room. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, there's like a market. Well, shoot. They had like a bunch of food trucks and like tents and stuff set up. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I worked out yesterday and I did like arm workouts, but like it was like arms and shoulders, but I worked out my back a little bit, and it's like muscles that I wouldn't necessarily like work out. So like if I lean forward, my whole back like pulls. So like if I like take a deep breath, it like hurts and it feels like something's wrong, but I think it's just my muscles. Oh, I hate working out. I'm like trying to learn how to love it, and yeah, so if you have any tips for that, let me know, because I'm not an athletic person, first of all. I don't enjoy just working out. I don't know, it's not fun for me, so it's what it is. But yeah, so that's what I'm up to. I actually posted in this group that I'm in. If y'all don't know, I used to work at Starbucks, so I'm still in like a Starbucks page on Facebook, and I posted and I was like, I'm going to Starbucks, I don't know what to get, so leave me like your recommendations. So there's like a ton on there, and the one sounds really good, and I think I'm just gonna get that. I want to order something that's not like super difficult, because I'm like self-conscious about that, but some of the stuff on there sounded so good. Zach gets done a little bit early today, so that's cool. I don't know what we're gonna do, but hopefully, hopefully he will be off tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure yet, but if he is, then I want to go to St. Augustine. I haven't been there in, I don't even know, probably, why are you slamming on your brakes? People don't know how to drive, I swear. Anyways, yeah, I haven't been to St. Augustine in like 2 years, I think. Oh my gosh. This dude's on a bike in front of me, and he's like doing that thing where you like swerve side to side, and it scares me so bad. Anyways, we haven't been to St. Augustine, and like, oh my god, now he's like popping wheelies. Dude, you're in traffic. Like, this is not just a free-for-all highway. Like, Zach wants to get a bike, and I know he wouldn't be that stupid, but like, I can't. For a split second, I thought about it. Like, you know, being all for it, but I can't. he's like, you look so good on the back of a motorcycle. I'm like, no, I wouldn't. Like, I don't know. So, I don't know. It makes me nervous. But, yeah, anyway, I needed to, like, do some really good stretches or, like, some yoga or something today because my back's killing me. My arms feel pretty good, though. I like a little bit of soreness, but, like, when it's to the point where I'm, like, in pain, not my fave, because then I, like, do not want to work out again. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get coffee, and then I will let you guys know what I end up getting. And maybe we'll pop over, sorry about the noise. Maybe we'll pop over to the beach for a minute or something, just for fun. Okay guys, so the recommendation I had was a nitro cold brew with, what is it, chestnut praline, and then salted cold foam. So I really wanted the nitro, but I also wanted a venti, so I got the venti of just regular cold brew. Oh my god, it's so good. My foam isn't like super foamy, but tastes good. Oh, that's so good. I'm here for it. But I just parked by the beach, and I think I'm just gonna go walk for a minute. I think right here it's like 30 minutes free parking, but you can like use the app and like pay to park or whatever. So I think I'm just gonna walk for like a few minutes and then go back. It is 12:04, so yeah. Okay, there's a lady right here and she's crying and I feel really, really bad, but I like don't want to be weird and say anything, but she's like walking and crying and I feel so bad, and I didn't want her to see that I was like talking to my phone, but she just walked by. There was a girl, we were getting coffee, this was back when we were home, but we were getting coffee and this girl was sitting there just bawling her eyes out, and I felt so bad, and I told Zach, I'm like, I gotta go say something to her, like, because I just feel so bad and I just like want her to know, like, does that make me weird if I do that to people? Because I walked up to her and I said, I don't know what's going on, but if it's a guy, he's not worth it and you're too pretty to cry. And like, she said thanks and everything, but I didn't want her to be like weirded out by it. I don't know, I guess if someone did it to me, it would like, it make me feel good, but I'm sure other people are like, don't talk to me, I'm crying, I'm mad, and I don't want to be spoken to. But yeah, so let me know, because I thought about it for like a while after that happened, and I was like, I hope I didn't like make it worse for her or something. Like, I don't know. I told Zach that I think I'm a big like empath, I think is how it's pronounced, but you obviously have like a lot of empathy for other people and things like that, and I was trying to explain to him like how I felt in certain situations, because it's like a blessing and a curse. Like, I'm trying to think of an example, like, I don't know, like if someone else gets hurt, or like when we were stuck behind that accident, I think that's when I was telling him about it. We got stuck behind that accident and I was seeing the cars and I'm like, could you imagine like what those people are going through right now? Like, and it just like essentially like just turned my stomach thinking about it. And I don't know if that's like a really big like empathy kind of thing, or if it's just, I don't know, me just being super dramatic. I don't know. I hope that makes sense, and if anyone else like goes through the same thing, I really want to know, because I get like really upset about things that happen to other people. Like really bad, and especially like animals too, animals and people, especially like people that are helpless, like old people and kids. It's like so much worse, but you know. Anyways, enough of my rant. I'm gonna go to the beach.